Lundy! He's going back into the woods! Get him!
Where?
You never saw him at all. You just told Lundy that. You used Lundy. You used him to set him up. I don't even know what I'm doing here. I don't give a damn about that melon picker. But this is none of my business, you know. This is none of my business, really. I don't want nothing to do with this anymore. Stay away from me.
You get out there.
No. Get out there! I don't even have a gun. He'll kill me.
You got a choice. Stay here and I'll kill you.
I'm staying.
Where is he?
He's on the staircase.
You want to live?
Yeah.
Drape yourself over that log and don't even twitch. Do it.
Hey, boy.
You remember what I told you. Don't fuck with Jack Murphy.
It's a setup.
All right, jam it on the gas pedal now. All right, ready, jump.
Blow the kingdom come! The light. Yeah, the light, yeah.
Blew that son of a bitch sky high. Woohoo! Woo! Let's go. We'll get a scalp this time. Look at that!
Slow it down, boys. Come on, slow it down. Easy, huh? Easy.
Blew the hell ain't nothing left of this guy, I tell you. God damn it! That son of a bitch is still alive!
You've got what we want. We'll pay.
I only deal with Moloch. Where is he?
Fuck him. What do you care? Just so long as you get the money, right?
That's being smart. Now let's talk about a more reasonable price.
Well, you know, I was thinking, I'd like to have a Mercedes and a ranch in Malibu and maybe a hairdresser place up there in Aspen. You know what I mean?
My client's willing to go 200 grand tops.
What? You expect me to rent?
Look, we're talking serious business.
Shut up, asshole! It's not money you want, is it, Holland?
You're too smart for the job, Janelle. Wearing a bulletproof vest.